Hey guys, I'm Sarah. Here's a quick look at what we've improved inside Beam. This month was all about giving you better visibility into your data and helping your flows stay reliable as they get more complex. The biggest update is nested step outputs. You can now open up complex JSON and actually explore it, not just the top level, but all the layers inside it. It's all expandable, easy to browse, and you can link any value directly into your next steps. We also made variable linking a lot smarter. When you're building, the dropdowns now show the full nested structure, so you always know exactly what you're connecting. And if your flow ran before, we'll show the values from the run so you can see what's really happening behind the scenes. On top of that, we added better error handling. You get to decide what a step should do when something goes wrong, stop everything, or keep going and pass the error forward in a clean, structured way. This makes it easier to build flows that can handle edge cases without collapsing. All of these changes make building feel a lot more intuitive and easier to debug. We also cleaned up a handful of bugs, fixed some edge cases, and tightened up the overall stability so the platform feels smoother by the day. That's the update, guys. Go play around with it and you'll feel the difference immediately.